Hello children, today we are going to do this lab activity where we have to type the paragraph given over here and then you have to follow the steps and do the necessary changes. So let's start. I have already typed the paragraph for you all. So let's keep the instruction and the word file side by side. Okay. Now first it is telling you type the above paragraph and save the document with the name hard work using the file tab, then save option. So the first I have already typed. Now you will go to file tab and click on save option. When you click on save option, it will ask you where to save. You can either save on the desktop or you can save it in the drives. So if you are making it if you are saving it in a drive, you can organize by keeping it in a folder. So let's create a folder and let us give the name of the folder as activity or computer activity. Now press enter and open. Here you will give the name of the file. Now see, by default it has taken the first line. So you can just name it as first activity and press save. So now see, in the title bar it is showing you first.docx. .docx is the extension of a Word document. Now the next point tells you close the document by clicking on the file tab and selecting the close option. So again clicking on the file tab and close option closes the document. Next is telling you press the Ctrl+O key combination to open the document again. So here it was told to save the document with hard work. I have saved it with first. Why I have done it little different? So that it's not mandatory that you have to save only with one name. You can give your convenient name to the file. Now what you have to do, either you can press the Ctrl and O option of keys together, or you will find the open option in the file tab itself. So I'm clicking on file and I'm clicking on open. Now it is asking from where. So you know, in the local disk D under computer activity folder the file is there, but by mistake suppose you are out of this folder. What you have to do, you have to go to the local disk D drive, then you will find the folder. So this is the folder, double click and open and click the file to select it and click on open. So the file is open now. Now next, see what is the next bullet point telling you to do. In the first line, place the cursor before C of success and insert C in the current position. Why? The spelling is wrong. So how to place the cursor in before C? Just click on the desired position and type C. Now next green bullet tells you insert the words a lot of before preparation. So let us find out preparation. Yes, in this second line we have preparation. So what you have to do, I have to insert. So as you get the cursor over there, you can just start typing. Your text gets inserted. Next is insert the words are before willing. So here is the word willing before it is asked. So I am placing the cursor before the word willing and typing are. Next is prepare before to win in the third sentence. So this is first sentence, this is second sentence, and this is the third sentence before to win. So this is to win. What you have to insert? One minute. And prepare before to win in the third sentence. Remove the word time in the same sentence. Okay. So I am removing the word time by erasing it and typing prepare. Done. Now it is told delete the word sacrifice and type determination in the second last line. So here is a sacrifice. I am selecting the word and pressing delete from the keyboard. What you have to type? Determination. Next it is telling you in the second last line delete T in the word not. So this is the second last line. So I am deleting the letter T. Next, select the last sentence hard work till success and paste it in the beginning to make it the heading of the paragraph. So how will we select? Just drag the mouse and select it. Or you know the shortcut to select a sentence is Control and click anywhere on the sentence. So I have clicked it. Now you have to paste it in the beginning because it's becoming the heading. So I am using the option cut, going to the first line, making a space. Using the arrow key I came on top and I am using the option Control V. Okay, so Control V is the shortcut. If you don't want to use the shortcut, you can use the paste option in the home tab. Okay, as it is the heading, you can format the heading by making it bold, underline and leaving one line below it. So your activity is almost done. The last 2 points tells you save your document again by using the Control plus S key combination. You know the shortcut key for saving is Control plus S. So I am pressing the Control key in your keyboard together with the alphabet key S. So my document is saved. Now suppose I am writing here anything and I don't want it, that means we have again edited. So I am erasing, so I have something I have done. So again you have to do Control plus S to save it. The last option or the last bullet tells you exit from the Microsoft Word application by clicking on the File tab and exit. So how do we close it or how do we come out of the Microsoft Word application? We'll click on File and we will click on exit. Okay. So this was the last option. So I am clicking on File and I am clicking on exit. So I am out of the Microsoft Word application software. So please practice the typing as well as follow all the bullet points and do the necessary lab activity. Thank you and have a nice day.